Hi and welcome back to Titan Academy. Today we're going to talk about stepper features, disable name click. Let's jump right in. Okay, so this is my builder, and as you can see, I've got this stepper here with 3 steps and also a text field, first name, last name, and email, which are mandatory. Now, ask yourself, what happens if a user just decides to skip this step and go to the next step or even the third step? How can you prevent this? Well, lucky for you, you've got a solution for that, and that's called disable name click. This allows you to, create this barrier for the user so he cannot skip unless he fills out these mandatory fields. So let's see how this works. Let's hit save and preview. And here are my steps. And let's try and click this one. No. Step number 3. No. Maybe these buttons. Next. No. So as you can see, this is disable name click. It will not allow you to, skip steps, basically. And only if you fill out this form will allow you to skip the step. And that's how it's done.